Welcome back to This Week on Best in Manufacturing. Every week we bring you the top 5 articles on quality control, product development, manufacturing, and more. First up, we may have finally reached an era where we can stop equating made-in-China products with low quality. As of 2011 statistics published by the European Central Bank, the quality of China-manufactured equipment and IP products ranks second only to those produced in the US. Chinese smartphone brands like Huawei are right on the heels of their competitors like Apple and Samsung. Recent trends actually have US manufacturing companies fearing China-made products not for their lower prices, but for their superior quality. A prospering Chinese economy means a prospering middle class. And with more discretionary income to spend, the average Chinese person now has the financial means to demand better quality. The Chinese consumer is modernizing, and factories are adapting to give them the high-quality, made-in-China goods that they demand. Next up, we have a little how-to on protecting yourself from industrial cybersecurity threats. The Internet of Things may be the future of manufacturing, but like anything, it has its drawbacks. Without proper protection, the immense amounts of data you're gathering may be harming you more than it's helping you. In 2017, the WannaCry and XPeter ransomware attacks, which caused outages across the US and Europe, proved the vulnerability of operational technology. There are 2 common types of vulnerabilities. The first is a company's internet command system. These were built long before the IoT, meaning security wasn't factored into their design. The second is the necessary updates to device security. These updates can require months of planning and even halting production, but they're extremely important. When evaluating industrial cybersecurity solutions, look for things like automated asset discovery management, or network activity monitoring, and threat detection. While it's impossible to ensure 100% protection of your data, capabilities like these will help deter hackers. Third up, the German conglomerate Siemens held a Belt Road Initiative Summit last week in Beijing, officially endorsing the Chinese Expansion Initiative. They intend to lead the retooling of Chinese firms trying to align with the Made in China 2025 initiative. Joe Kaeser, the CEO of Siemens, was quoted as saying, "We believe that China has always been and will be the global powerhouse for manufacturing, and manufacturing will be the biggest beneficiary of automation." You might now be wondering, so what? Why is Siemens' support of the BRI and MIC initiatives a big deal? Well, the answer is that very few countries have actually been on board with these initiatives. Many of them fear that China is too focused on its own economic interests, and that the BRI favors Chinese firms over foreign ones. As a company with a long history and deep connections in nearly all 90 BRI countries, Siemens Support sends a signal to all other countries that the initiatives are a step in the right direction. Hopefully their own partners will follow suit, and their initiatives will see more expansive support. Now those are just the top 3 articles. To find the other 2, click on the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and tune in next week on Best in Manufacturing.